Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to create custom emoji with Genmoji in iPhone iOS 18.2. Let's have a look. First, open Messages app on your iPhone. Open any conversation or you can compose a new one. Tap iMessage box. Then tap emoji button on bottom left. Tap on the glowing emoji button on the top right of the keyboard. This will open the Genmoji window. Start with a new words or a phrase that best describes your idea. Type the emoji you want to create. For example, here I am typing monkey cooking in the kitchen. Within a few seconds, Apple AI will create multiple Gen emoji for you based on the text. You can swipe and choose different Gen emoji options. If you like the option, tap Add in the top right corner. This will add the Gen emoji to the message input field. Or you can tap three dots and tap Save to Stickers. Or you can use other options. You can tap send button to send Gen emoji, or you can tap sticker button to check saved stickers. So these are the steps to create custom emoji with Genmoji on iPhone iOS 18.2 or later. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.